So I'm back here with another video on the road to 1 million, and honestly, I'm super proud. I just want to take a good moment to be grateful of the progress this year. Already it's February. I've gotten my first few sales, and I've never been happier. I also do want to say that the YouTube has been doing pretty good. I've been getting a few more followers. A lot of people like you guys, you seem to like these videos. So I do want to say thank you. I really appreciate it. Now, the last few days I've been sick. So I've been taking it easy. Honestly, it's been rough. Like yesterday, I probably slept 20 plus hours. I was knocked out. But it did give me some time to rest, recover, to rethink the steps I'm about to take going forward. Now, I do want to say now, this video is about the Facebook ad structure and setup that I'm about to do and what I've learned through Facebook ads. I do want to say that if there's anyone telling you that there's one Facebook ad setup that's the best, they're just trying to sell you a course. They're trying to make a living, okay? That is a bullshit idea. There's not one Facebook ad setup that will guarantee you success. It's not about the Facebook ad setup. It's all about your product and your ads. Combine those two, it's your offer. It's all about your offer. It has nothing to do with if it's a CBO, ABO, if you're testing interest, geographics, if you put this setting, this. No, fuck that. I've learned after the last few days of doing research, I've learned who says this, who says that. It's all personal preference. So I'm going to tell you now my personal experience and my personal opinion on the Facebook ad setup that got me my first few sales and the ad setup that I'm about to go in the future. So I first started releasing the product. I didn't know what was better, a CBO or an ABO. Basically saying, should I test interests myself and equally distribute the budget, or should I let Facebook decide? So I decided to do both. I had a $50 budget per day. So what I did was I did $25 for a CBO and $25 for an ABO. Now, I do want to put out there that I did not set up the CBO properly at all. I only had one ad set. So basically, it was only testing which video was the best. But anyways, I let both of them run. And in the end of the day, ABO got me the sale. Got me my first few sales. So I decided to shut down my CBO and put all the $50 budget into the ABO. Now, the thing that I went wrong with was that I duplicated the ad set to increase, to scale basically, and which is not good, because what I've learned is that when you duplicate an ad set, they're basically competing with each other, which is not very good. And then your CPM, becomes higher because you're competing with yourself, and it's not good. So I decided to shut them off. I decided to shut them off for the weekend, especially that I was sick. I wasn't in the right mindset to, think about business. So I decided to just take a break and analyze. And now, what I analyzed was gathering the data of the, ads that was running for the week prior. I looked at the data and saw that 2 countries performed the best. Facebook was distributing the budget to 2 countries, and that's where I got my 2 sales. So now I'm only going to put those 2 countries. I also realized that Facebook only put the ad budget to 1 video out of 3. So what I did now was I took that 1 video, discarded the other 2, and I made 2 other videos that are very, very similar to the first one, maybe just a different hook with wording or a different background music, but they're very, very much less the same. So now what I'm going to do now from now on is that I'm going to do an ABO. I decided to do an ABO. I think for what I want to do is better. Again, if someone else says otherwise, I think they're dumb. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do now is basically do the same ABO setup as I was doing before, test 5 different interests, and I'm keeping 2 that got me the sales, and then 3 new ones. Keeping the 2 countries that I got the sales, and also the 3 videos, the 2 new ones and the one that did well. That's about it. Now I'm about to go set them up. I really hope they do well. I think they will, because I made a lot of improvements. I think Facebook already gave me the idea of what works better for me. So now I'm just gonna give them the green light to just go to the stuff that works. Also, I improved my my copywriting. I improved the description, the headline, and I do believe I improved the hooks on the videos. So I do think this will go well. Again, I just want to say that if you're in this position where you're trying to look at what's the best Facebook ad setup, just test yourself. All the videos, all the stuff you see on the internet are just personal opinions. They're just trying to sell you something, so that's why they word it in a way where this is the only way it works. No, bullshit. Don't fall for it. You're smarter than that. It's a personal opinion, so I believe whatever you want to test, you test. Like at the beginning, I didn't know a CBO or ABO which was better. I tested both. I realized ABO worked for me better. I'm only going to do ABO now. I tested countries. Out of 5, 2 did well for me. Now I'm going to do 2. You just got to test yourself. Don't let other people say that this is better. It's all bullshit. But I do want to say that I'm very excited for the upcoming week, even because now I'm going to be posting these ads. I'm going to Toronto in a few days. Again, traveling and working on my laptop. It's been a good time, honestly. I'm happy that I recovered, and again, I want to just say thank you for supporting this channel. Honestly, it really means a lot. A lot of positive comments that I've been receiving, and it's only the first few steps, but it's been a dream come true, honestly. And like I said before, it's only February, and I'm starting to see results, and I'm starting to see such huge progress, and I can't wait to see where I am at the end of the year. I'm really happy that you're here following my journey. And look, I don't want you guys to get the idea where this was like overnight success. I'm not saying I'm successful, but when I am, and I feel it coming very soon, I've been trying to make money online for the last 2 years. I just started documenting daily, the last few weeks. So it takes time. It really takes time. It takes time to even figure out what you want to do, what works best for you. But once you figure it out, and once you just keep working at it and keep putting your effort and never giving up, I just want to show you guys that it's possible. The life that we all want to live is possible, and I'm excited to be an example of that. So anyways, I really hope you have a great day, and I want you to keep working hard. And again, sorry I'm not my full today. I'm still not 100%, but I'm getting there. And keep working hard, and I'll see you at the top.